This Windows 10 is not support Windows 11. Let's check it. Check now. It is not support Windows 11. It has TMP2 error. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade a Windows 10 to Windows 11 on unsupported PC. Let us do it. Open your favorite browser. Search for Refuse. Open this website or this link. Scroll down. Download it. I want to download a Windows 11 image with Refuse. Now open download. Here is Refuse. Right click on Refuse. Run as administrator. Here click in this button. Select download. Click on download. Now Windows 11 is available to download. Select Windows 11. Continue. Again continue. Select the release. Leave as default. Continue. Here we have Edition Pro. Continue. Select the language depend on the Windows. Here right click on this PC. Properties. Here search for language. Language setting. Now it is English United States. Now I want to select United States because the language of Windows is United States. Then continue and download image. When you download Windows 11 image, right click on image, then month. Here type CMD. dir. Now you can see all this file. In this step, we need to type this command. Write this command setup.exe/product server compat ignore warning migrate drivers all. Hit enter. Here select yes. Install Windows Server. It is not Windows Server, it is normal Windows. Next. Accept. Here is so important. Select keep files, setting and apps. With this setting, you don't lose any data. It means you can upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 without losing data. Next. Ready to install. Install. In this step, your system will restart several times. Please wait patiently. Now it is finished. Enter your password. Guys, please like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content like this. Now we successfully upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 on unsupported PC. Guys, have a good time. See you soon.